Grand Rising to all y'all. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Well, rising, you know, nobody's morning. That's a curse word, but at the same time, here I'm showing y'all about the 12 on the clock that equal to 13, and 12 pointed stars that also have 6, but also equal to 13. Now, in the zodiac, in the blue, these are in the orders of the 13 zodiac. Okay, highlight right here is Ophiuchus, which is the missing zodiac. Out this one, Pisces will be the number, I would say like the last zodiac, but this one is the missing. So with the clock formation, all the clock formation at the 12, in the middle is 0, but also 13. It's like invisible. But then if you add it, then the extra then to 12, which is make 13. Now I know all this math stuff, people don't want to think, but to understand the world is going around and also magic and technology, you have to understand numbers have something to do with it. Numbers shows pattern. So for instance, when you be hearing a lot of kids say 6, 7, 6, 7 equals to what? 13. 12, 1 equals to what? 13. 11, 2, 13. 10, 3, 13. 9, 4, 13. 8, 5, 13. All around equal to 13 when you pair them together. The center is 0, but also 13. So if you added the number like the clock into the zodiac signs, so instead of like the numbers, match them up with the zodiac sign, and then you have the sun and the moon as the formation of the hour hand and the minute hand. So after that part, with the here go the clock formation, and I line it up with the zodiac sign. Okay, the moon equals to the minute hand, the sun equals to the hour hand. Okay, so with each zodiac sign equals as a portal or a gate. Because of the star celestial constellation. It rotates around each zodiac sign. There's 88 constellations. Only 13 became chosen to be the zodiac because of the sun and the moon, and Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn rotates through 12 and also 13 zodiac signs. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the star formation, how I got the 6 formation. So for the star formation, if you subtract it, you would get 6 in all angles. So like 1 minus 7 is 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, 8 minus 2 is 6, 11, and so on and so on and so on. They all equal to 6 corners. So I broke down the 6 corners into a diagram, into the Markova cube. So as you see here, this is what represents the Markova cube, with the 6, 6, 6, all the points on all sides. But if you cross them, that visible one that's in the middle becomes another 6. And then you get how many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? 6, 7 equals 13. Now, the sides would be the 2. And the corners would be the 1. So over here, I broke down the clock formation. And the clock formation is 3 body problems. So these are odd numbers and even numbers, all odd numbers and all even numbers that's formed on the ground of clock. Okay. So what I did is broke it down. So what you got to do is find the patterns. So all the patterns of the numbers equal up to 6 with the 6 stars pointed. And then this one also equal up to circle equals to 13. Okay. And equal to 78, 36, 78. So what I did is broke it down, to the numbers where you add, one is subtraction and one is addition. So when you broke it down, 38 plus 14 equals 52, 52 weeks in a year. 14 minus 38 equals 24, 24 hours in a day. So over here, we find the pattern in different numbers, still equal up to 78. So 78 with all 13, 78, if you did the different numbers, it's still equal to 78. So after breaking up the clock formation and you add all the numbers up, and then subtract all the numbers, then you break it down and then simpler form, and then you add it again, 66. So, as I did the clock body formation, you know what I'm saying, I compared it with the numbers with the zodiac sign, and then I did it again with these in the form of the zodiac, you know what I'm saying, but I put them in numbers. Then I did the numbers, subtract, divide, you get 78 is equal to 13 when you divide it by 6. Okay? So it equals 13. So once again, once you find a certain patterns, then you can start mapping out certain geometries of, like, I guess you would say energy. You know what I'm saying? So I broke it down, one in the elements of each zodiac sign, fire and air, and then I broke it down with the element earth and water. If you practice this, then you know that it affects your body and everything. You know what I'm saying? The elements and everything. So this page here is showing you different diagrams, you know what I'm saying, or the number codes of angles where you can different shapes to make from just this star diagram. You can get a star, you get what I'm saying, octagons, hexagon. You get so many different shapes once you find out the connection in different points. So this right here is showing a diagram of the 3 body problems, but in the form of a Merkaba cube. So what I did is, you know, these are lined up next to each other, but then I merge them together. You know what I'm saying? And when you merge them together, you get this patterns of 3 in 1. You know what I'm saying? 3 in 1. So basically, even though we in different worlds, it's all synced together. You know what I'm saying? The mid-grid line. You know what I'm saying? And this is more like, how you say, higher dimensional thing. But if you get what I'm saying, the green represents Earth, okay? Green represents Earth, and then you got other dimensions. Second dimension, and then you got the fourth dimension. And then intermingled with the middle of the third dimension, which is the physical dimension, okay? So, these were the people that know, okay? So I'm just going to try to explain it in a way that everybody else get it. So basically what I'm saying is you got to pay attention to all the numbers that you see. Numbers show codes to your mind, to your subconscious. You know what I'm saying? Like in the movie Stranger Things, I'm going to bring that up because it was season 5, right? Episode 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. You know what I'm saying? Her sister combined together equals 13. Even when you had the 12 children and you add him in the middle, it equals a 13. You know what I'm saying? You go to the Bible and read about the 12 Israelites, you know what I'm saying? And you know how the 12 Israelites, like Benjamin, Jacob, Judah, and the rest of the brothers, they also had a sister. Okay? You go in the book, you go read about it. They had a sister. You know what I'm saying? And basically he had 13 children. But if you don't add the girl, he had 12 boys. So, 13, they make it unlucky. They make y'all don't want to look at number 13, but so yeah, that will be the end of the video. I'm just going to let y'all sit with this video for a little bit. I might make another one. It's supposed to be a short video, but explain all this down and it's not going to be a short video. So I will make another short video explain about the 13 and break it down. Y'all have a good one.